Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone, your go-to hub for everything in cutting-edge camera technology, hybrid shooting gear, mirrorless marvels, and the future of creative production. If you've been holding off on upgrading your camera, waiting for that perfect blend of performance, innovation, and price, then this video is for you. Sony is officially back in the spotlight and preparing to drop a serious bombshell in the hybrid camera world, the Sony A7V, also known as the Sony A7V. Let's break down why this camera might just redefine your creative workflow, whether you're a content creator, pro photographer, cinematographer, or passionate hobbyist. Sony A7V, a new era in hybrid camera excellence after enduring months of quiet speculation, supply chain challenges, and a growing sense of anticipation. Sony is finally gearing up to release its next-generation full-frame mirrorless hybrid camera, the Sony A7V, or Alpha 7 Mark V, is slated for an official launch in mid-2025. This upcoming model is more than just a successor to the highly regarded Sony A7 IV. It's potentially a game-changing flagship for creators craving 4K 120 video, advanced AI-driven autofocus, improved ergonomics, and future-ready processing power. What made the Sony A7 IV so popular? Before we talk about what's new, let's rewind and understand the legacy. The Sony A7 IV was launched at $2,500 and quickly became a go-to for hybrid shooters thanks to its 3043 MEP full-frame XMOR-R CMOS sensor Bion's XR processor, 4K 60 10-bit 4.22 video class leading autofocus, reliable battery life, and handling. The A7i IV offered an ideal balance of resolution, performance, and pricing. But here's where it gets interesting. The price of the A7 IV has recently dropped to around $1,998, especially on major e-commerce platforms like Amazon and B&H Photo. That drop is a strong signal that Sony is clearing inventory, paving the way for the Alpha 7V's debut. Sony A7V price and market position, if the rumors are true, and they're looking more solid than ever. The Sony A7V is expected to arrive with a price tag somewhere between $2,799 and $2,099. That places it squarely in the same league as Canon EOS R6, Mark II Nikon Z6, 3 Panasonic Lumix S5. 2x Sony's strategy here is clear. Deliver high-end pro features at a price that's still within reach for serious creators. This isn't budget-friendly by casual standards, but for working professionals and committed enthusiasts, it might just be the perfect middle ground between value and capability. Sensor technology, a major leap forward. Now let's talk about the sensor, arguably the most anticipated spec of any camera release. Sony has two options in play. Continue with the trusted 33MP XMOR-R CMOS sensor from the A7 IV, which would be a safe bet. Introduce a new 42MP backside illuminated stacked sensor, possibly the IMX366, a radical improvement that would elevate this camera into a new class. If that second rumor holds true, creators can expect higher resolution stills, oversampled 4K, and potentially 8K video, minimal rolling shutter, better low light, and high ISO performance, faster readout, and burst shooting. That would put the A7V very close to Sony's higher-end models, like the A7RV, yet still come in at a more affordable price. Next-level video capabilities. Sony has long been respected for pushing the envelope with its video specs, and the A7V seems ready to continue that trend with 4K at 120 FPS, no crop, 10-bit 4.2.2, internal recording, 8K at 30 FPS, though thermal limits may apply Cinetone and log profiles. For pro-level color grading, improved heat dissipation, and recording stability. Real-time IAF and object tracking in video mode. Sony is prioritizing oversampled 4K quality and efficient thermal engineering, which means less overheating, fewer limitations, and more consistent performance during long shoots. This puts the A7V on par with cinematic hybrid cameras in the 4K 5K range, but at a significantly lower price. Build, handling, and ergonomic improvements from leaked renders and internal reports. We can expect the A7V's body design to borrow ergonomic features from Sony's newer models, like the A9 III and A7RV. Some expected upgrades include deeper, more comfortable grip, especially for extended handheld shooting, 6 million EVF, bright, sharp, and ideal for fast-paced environments, fully articulating 4-axis LCD touchscreen perfect for vloggers, solo content creators, and low-high angle. Shots lighter and more compact frame. With durable weather sealing, Sony is paying attention to how people use cameras in the field, not just how they perform in spec sheets. This focus on comfort and usability will definitely appeal to hybrid shooters who often switch between stills and video work. Why the long delay? Many fans were expecting the Sony A7V in late 2024, but the release was pushed back due to a combination of factors: AI autofocus, optimization. Sony reportedly wanted to fully refine its next-gen AI-powered tracking system. Thermal management improvements and heat control were necessary for reliable 4K 120 and 8K footage Canon's competitive releases. Sony may have strategically delayed its launch to outmaneuver Canon's marketing window supply chain disruptions, especially tied to the A12 Bionic-style image processing chip production. Now, with those hurdles seemingly overcome, Sony is expected to officially unveil the A7V in May or June 2025. Should you upgrade from the A7 IV? This is the million-dollar question. With the Sony A7 IV now available for a very compelling price, is it still worth the wait? It depends on what you're looking for. Stick with the A7 IV if you want excellent image quality at a great price. You don't need 4K 120 or 8K video. You prefer a proven, reliable system. Wait for the A7V if you want future-proof AI autofocus and subject tracking. You plan to shoot high frame rate 4K or cinematic 8K. You need faster readout speeds for action photography. You want cutting-edge low-light performance. Conclusion: the hybrid camera battle of 2025 is here. 2025 is shaping up to be a historic year for hybrid content creators. Whether you're leaning toward the Sony A7V's AI-driven power and 8K ambitions, or the Canon R6 III's cinematic video specs and performance-first design, there's no shortage of innovation coming your way.